Imagine this, waking up to a YouTube channel that's generating income for you, without you lifting a finger to create the content manually. Sounds like a dream, right? Today, we're going to explore how to make this a reality with YouTube automation. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, this video will guide you through the entire process, from ideation to monetization, all powered by AI. So, how exactly does YouTube automation work? And can it really help you earn money? The short answer is absolutely. YouTube automation allows you to leverage AI tools to generate content, freeing up your time while still building a profitable channel. But the big question is, what are the steps involved in creating these monetizable videos? And just how complicated is the process? Here's the good news. This method is not just for tech-savvy experts or experienced YouTubers. With the right tools and guidance, anyone can do it. Stick around, because later in this video, I'm going to share a practical monetization tip that could be a game changer for your channel's earnings. You might be wondering, why should you watch this channel? If you're looking to build a sustainable income stream on YouTube without spending countless hours on content creation, you're in the right place. I'm filtering lots of information to provide you actionable strategies that work. No fluff, just results. Welcome to my channel, where I turn your online money-making ambitions into reality. Let's start with the foundation of your YouTube automation journey, ideation. Before you can create a video, you need a solid idea. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, you can use AI tools to generate trending topics in your niche. For example, by inputting some keywords related to your niche into an AI tool, you'll have a list of potential video topics within seconds. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your content is relevant and likely to attract viewers. Remember, the key to successful ideation is consistency. By using AI, you can generate content ideas regularly, keeping your channel fresh and engaging. For instance, let's say you're interested in the fashion niche. You can start by asking ChatGPT to generate some sub-niche ideas with a simple prompt like, list 5 sub-niches for fashion. Take a moment to review the suggestions and choose the one that resonates with you the most. Once you've selected a sub-niche, for example, luxury streetwear, continue the brainstorming process by asking something like, what are 5 interesting topics related to luxury streetwear? This will give you a range of potential subjects to explore. Pick the topic that catches your attention and sparks your creativity. If none of the suggestions feel right, don't worry. You can always ask ChatGPT for more ideas until you find the perfect one to pursue. Once you have your video idea, it's time to bring it to life. Traditionally, creating videos could take hours or even days, especially if you're editing everything manually. But with AI-powered video creation tools, this process becomes much simpler. These tools allow you to create videos by inputting your script or keywords. The AI then automatically generates video clips, adds transitions, and even suggests suitable music and captions. This means you can produce high-quality videos without needing advanced editing skills. The best part? You can scale this process. Imagine creating multiple videos in a day. Videos that are polished, engaging, and ready to publish. For example, let's build on the previous step and create a video about the evolution of streetwear icons in the luxury market using AI. Start by crafting a prompt for an AI video generator. You could ask ChatGPT something like, write a 100-word prompt to create a video with an AI video generator on the subject of the evolution of streetwear icons in the luxury market. Feel free to tweak or customize any part of the prompt to better suit your needs. Once your prompt is ready, head over to invideo AI, one of the top AI video generators available today. You can sign up for free. Just follow the link in the description. When using the prompt, remember to specify the desired length of your video. After pasting your prompt into invideo AI's chat box and hit generate, in just a few minutes, your draft video will be ready. Let's have a look.
Concrete jungle canvas, the birth of a movement, streetwear, it's more than just clothes, it's a culture, an attitude. Born from the streets, fueled by rebellion, it's the voice of the youth, a raw expression of individuality. From the sidewalks of New York to the skate parks of Los Angeles, streetwear emerged in the 1980s. A fusion of subcultures, it blended hip-hop, surf, and skate style.
I think this was very good as a first draft. If you want to make adjustments, you have two options. First, you can modify the prompt directly in the chat box. For example, you might type something like add yellow word-by-word captions or adjust the background music to be more upbeat. This allows you to quickly refine your video with just a few simple commands. Let's see the change.
Concrete jungle canvas, the birth of a movement, streetwear, it's more than just clothes, it's a culture, an attitude. Born from the streets, fueled by rebellion, it's the voice of the youth, a raw expression of individuality. From the sidewalks of New York to the skate parks of Los Angeles, streetwear emerged in the 1980s.
And just like that, the captions are ready with a single prompt in seconds. It almost feels like magic, right? Alternatively, you can dive deeper into customization using the editing tool. In this section, you can tweak the script word by word, adjust visual elements, or fine-tune the timing of scenes. Even if you don't have any technical skills, you can edit your entire video like this. Now that you've created your videos, let's talk about the most exciting part: monetization. Earning money from your automated videos is not only possible, but can be incredibly profitable if done right. Enjoying the content? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. There are several ways to monetize your YouTube channel, but one of the most effective and flexible methods is through affiliate marketing. Instead of relying solely on ads, affiliate marketing allows you to promote products or services related to your niche and earn a commission on every sale made through your referral links. The best part? You can start earning right away without needing to meet strict eligibility criteria like you would with YouTube's AdSense program. So, if you are a new starter, this could be the best option for you to start making money online. And here's the practical monetization wisdom I promised. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced YouTuber, I have a smart approach to finding affiliate marketing programs that are easy to enroll in. Many people spend their time day and night searching for the right affiliate programs, wasting valuable hours that could be better spent learning how to sell those products effectively. By using this prompt, you can quickly identify a wide range of affiliate programs without the hassle. Just change the colored part according to your niche. As you can see, you can effortlessly generate a list of potential programs with ChatGPT. This is a perfect example of how working smart can save you time and energy. It's all about efficiency and making the most of your resources. Now that you know how to create and monetize YouTube automation videos, you're well on your way to building a profitable channel. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're serious about taking your YouTube game to the next level, check out my other videos on AI techniques for YouTube growth.